All right, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna pretty much just be cleaning out this backside and trying to get the interior scuffed down, and I'm gonna use some rust reformer on the parts that need it, and then I'm gonna undercoat it. And while I'm at it, I got the gas tank dropped, and I'm gonna try to get the underside cleaned up. I'm gonna for sure just do this part at least today. I'm gonna try to get this part finished up, but as far as going all the way back there, I don't know. I might have to, well, I might just stretch the video out over a few days of work and do the whole underneath. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I dropped the gas tank. I'm gonna have my girlfriend helping me. She's gonna go ahead and vacuum all this out, scuff it up, and I'm gonna paint it so she don't overspray everything. But I'm about to get real heavy on doing this LS swap. I'm gonna have to pull it back out. I got everything for the transmission, the adapter plate, all that on the way. So yeah, I got the gas tank dropped, and I had to order a new one last night because this one is, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Kinda, it's trash. This gas tank is trash, this fuel pump is trash, but I'm ordering a Walbro for a fuel pump, and I got the gas tank on the way. So, I'll be able to start the LS build series here soon, but for right now, I'm gonna just try to get the whole car undercoated, get everything prepped up, and I'm gonna try to get the whole interior prepped up and undercoated. It won't be the most professional job, but you know, good enough for me. So I'm gonna try to record as much as I can underneath and in the car. But right now, I don't know. I need a tripod, but I'll try to get clips and tell where I'm doing it, so you guys can see the process. And then all my other parts for my LS swap should be coming in. Not everything, but you know, I'll be able to get started on that pretty good. Well, good job. All right, so I'm a little retarded. I was trying to hammer these screws out that go in here. Everyone knows these screws are rusty and these screws are rusty. See, y'all saw in the video, I couldn't figure it out. And then she has never worked on a car a day in her life. Pretty much told me what the fuck to do. So I'm a little retarded, but we're gonna get to moving on with this. I'm gonna let her clean this up and do all the nasty stuff so I can come in and scuff it and do the easy work. So I'm gonna set y'all back up so y'all can see the cleaning and scuffing process. And all right, so everything in here is scuffed pretty good. I mean, it don't have to be perfect. I'm gonna just use rust reformer on spots like these, and there's some spots in here, but everything's scuffed up to where paint will stick to it. I'll just rust reform it, and then I'm gonna do some undercoating, and I'm about to get her to vacuum it real quick, and then we're gonna clean it off with some glass cleaner, and then we'll continue from there. All right, everything is cleaned up. You know, like I said, it's not perfect, so I'm gonna go ahead and rust reform these areas, and like I said, those areas, and then get the paint, and I'll just Is that brown or black?
Brown.
Are you sure?
No.
Well, there's been a change of plans here. For some reason, Harbor Freight let me down for the first time in history. I got this undercoating. You know, to me, this is black, but it came out brown, and you know, it's probably gonna be covered up, but I don't want brown undercoating on my car. I don't know why, because it's gonna be covered up. So we've resorted to using Rust-Oleum textured. I mean, it's for houses, I guess. I don't know, but it says it stops rust, so works for me. Clean looking floor for the most part, at least for the back. No, this isn't rust. This is seam sealer, or not seam sealer, sound deadener. Whew. So the back part of the inside of the car is done. Now, I doubt she'll help me with this, but now we got to do the underneath. Alright, well here's the finished product inside. We got the inside right here done. And if it'll show, here's the finished product underneath up until the diff. So yeah, that's pretty good. Everything's all cleaned up. So when my gas tank comes in, I'll be able to put that in. I'll start like a LS build series, and that'll be part 1, since technically I haven't really done much to this car mechanically, except for like coilovers and brakes and all that good stuff. But I'll be able to start my LS series. And she went ahead and took out everything up front and vacuumed it out for the most part. But pretty much all the sound deadening's out. We're just gonna scuff this up, rust reform it, do the same thing, but all this is gonna get covered up anyways. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna have full interior in it. I'm gonna have a harness bar, but other than that, full interior. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next video will be hopefully LS build series part 1. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.